Let's consider the factors that inform us of the choice of any solar panel. On our list here, the first factor that will determine the type of solar panel that you get for your installation is the budget. How much do you budget for your solar panel? Can you afford the high efficient solar panel? How much did you collect your clients to put into buying the solar panels? How much is your client willing to give out for the purchase of the solar panel? Because when we were talking about solar panels efficiency, you were made to understand that the high efficient solar panels come with a price. That does not mean that the polycrystalline solar panels with a lower efficiency are not good when considering solar system installation. They will still deliver optimally, but when you compare the outputs and the efficiency with that of the monocrystalline solar panels, the monocrystalline solar panels are better off. So the first factor that determines the type of solar panel you get for your installation is your budget. The second factor that determines the type of solar panel that you get for your installation is the application to which it is meant for. If you consider a commercial solar installation in which the electrical loads will be much, it's pertinent to go after high efficiency solar panels. But when you are considering a residential solar installation in which the electrical appliances might not be much, it's wisdom, depending on the budget, to go after the polycrystalline solar panels. So the application in which the solar panel is meant for greatly determine the type of solar panel that will be used. Another scenario is if you are installing a commercial installation in which the roof space will not be enough to mount much solar panels. It is wisdom to go for high efficient solar panels irrespective of the cost. Those are some of the things you need to consider when you are choosing your solar panel. Another thing, another factor that determines the type of solar panel is your understanding of how that particular solar panel works. When you are considering the thin film solar panels or the CVP solar panel, we know that the CVP solar panels will definitely need solar tracker for it to deliver the needed efficiency of such a solar panel. But in a situation in which you don't incorporate a solar tracker into the solar panels during installation, it might not give you as expected. Another thing is if you are using The thin film solar panels, it's most importantly used where the building, the space inside of the installation does not allow the use of rigid solar panels. Rather, it allows for the installation of flexible solar panels. And in such condition, you can go for the thin film solar panels. Those are some of the factors that will inform you of the type of solar panel to use when you are embarking on any solar projects.